friends, it's the Stitches. A while ago, I made this top to show how to make a heart cutout on a basic shirt, but it's kind of suffering from a serious case of the uglies, so today we're going to put it out of its misery. I started by cutting off the sleeves since absolutely everything about them was just wrong. I also reshaped the arm's eye just a little bit. Once the sleeve was off, I took some pins and moved the side seam in to make the silhouette more flattering. After matching up both sides, it's time to cut away any excess fabric. Now I just gotta flip it inside out and close those side seams back up. This already makes the top fit and look so much better, but I still want some sleeves. For the sleeves, I'm making some color-blocked contrast cap sleeves out of this baby pink knit fabric that I thrifted a while ago. I quickly and terribly cut a new sleeve pattern that would better fit the shape of the existing sleeve hole, and then cut a pair from my fabric. I used my serger to close the side seam on the sleeve and finish the bottom edge, which I hemmed with a couple rows of knit stitching. I realized halfway through the first sleeve that there was some blue thread in the bobbin case, but I kind of like the contrast. The sleeves get pinned into place, and I'll use my serger again to finish up this project. This top looks a million times better and is actually something I can see myself wearing now, so I will happily put this bad boy back in my closet. That's all for today. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!